Hi everyone, so today is Friday. It is the 5-item craft challenge thing that I'm doing by myself. No, I know other people have done this. I can't remember what week I'm on now. There's a playlist. So anyway, I've got an envelope. I've got this piece of paper, digital paper. Sorry about the bracelets are making a noise. Good thing is when you've got like one whole piece like this, especially when you're using something small, you can cut it up and do various different things with it. So we'll see what we can do with that. So I've got a label and I've got this little image and I've got a word. So it's kind of like, 5 items doesn't look a lot, but let's see what we can do. So I'm just gonna I'll do a voiceover when I need to mention things in this video, because there's a bit of noise going on. So I'm just gonna crack on with it. So here you can see I'm just trimming off the white pieces around this piece of paper, and I'm going to make the piece for the flap. Just using a pencil here. Just as well I used a pencil because I messed up a few times. So when I'm tracing around that, I'm not actually going to cut on that line. I'm going to cut inside that line. Sorry, this little fly just flew in my face. in my face. So I'm cutting inside that line so that, you know, I've got like a border on the envelope. And then here I just have to take a little bit off the top, the flat edge, just so that I've got that kind of equal border all the way around. Just doing some inking up here. You don't have to ink up if you don't want to, but I like to. And then I'm just gonna glue that on. Now you can just glue it on and leave it. I glued it on, and you'll see in a little bit that I run it through the machine with some black cotton. I'm just trimming them bits off so that I've got a nice straight edge again. And then I'm just going to cover the front of the envelope. So here I'm just trimming off a couple of little strips because I'm going to make a little paper ruffle, and just try to get that as equal in width as I possibly could. It didn't really work out, but I was just eyeballing it. So I just done the 2 little strips, and then I go and run it through the machine. I also run the envelope around as well, just to give that nice border. So here I'm just thinking, right, how can I use the other little pieces that are left over? So I just made a little kind of collage of papers, the paper, obviously with the different patterns, and just gluing that all together. So there we have it, just a little something that can pop in a journal, or you can send to someone with some like die cuts or something in. And as you've seen at the beginning, I had 5 items, and I made that last a little bit longer and there's still a bit of it left. That's gone back in the dish. And then just a little thing there. If it wasn't working with the 5 item thing, I would have probably lined that with coffee dyed paper, and I'm not sure whether I would have had enough to cover that anyway, like around there, but there you go. Kind of wish I had a butterfly floating around, but I haven't. I'd only had 5 items. So there we go. That's this week's 5 item challenge. You know, it's a good thing to do if you are trying to use up your scraps, trying to boost your mojo. If you've lost your mojo, just get 5 little items out and see what you can make with it. It just, you know, it's amazing what you can do with little supplies. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.